How many hours does a college professor work? This is a video article by Dr. Howard Rubin and sponsored by the Six Figure Adjunct Teaching Program at adjunctteachingonline.com. Some people have the opinion that being a college professor is simple, easy, and that it is not a very demanding field. Several people have asked me recently, how many hours does a college professor work? This may be an easy question to ask, however the answer is neither simple nor straightforward. There are several variables to be considered, such as the type of work a college professor does and the specific tasks involved in this career. Some professors are hired as researchers and do not have the burden of teaching more than an occasional course. This is usually very time intensive because in addition to the necessary research, the faculty member must also seek external funding to support his program. Other professors are hired mainly or fully to teach. There are three types of courses that may be offered. These are courses for undergraduate non-majors, courses for undergraduate majors, and courses for graduate students. Usually at the undergraduate level, offerings are survey-type courses, with the majors courses going into much greater detail than that for non-majors. Graduate level courses are in-depth and therefore are very rigorous. The greater the depth of a course, the more depth and breadth of knowledge the professor must obtain. The mentor must possess even more knowledge and insight about the course material than will be taught so that questions can be properly fielded. For graduate level courses, this requires the professor to remain up to date about new developments in the field. Thus, considerable time must be spent staying abreast of new course information as well as in-class preparation. Providing an on-track and interesting lecture is merely the final step in the process. In addition to teaching, college-level professors have other tasks as well. They must serve on college-wide committees, remain current in their field of interest, be active in professional societies by making presentations at annual meetings, and provide sufficient time to help students. Although these activities may occur in spurts, most professors find that the time needed to adequately prepare for their courses is very limited. As in any field, some people do a fast and dirty job while others spend considerable amounts of time to do a good job. Many professors devote more than 40 hours a week toward their careers. Time is not the paramount issue at the college level. The quality of education is. Unfortunately, there are many problems that can stop you from being successful starting out as a professor, and barriers that can prevent you from making a steady, significant income. Fortunately, there is help for those who are serious about breaking in and earning big money as a part-time professor, teaching both online and on ground. Dr. Howard Rubin holds 3 master's degrees and a PhD. He quit as an environmental scientist and became a full-time adjunct professor by increasing the number of courses taught both on ground and online. He increased his income as an adjunct professor until he achieved his income goals. This income has been stable for more than 10 years. He has helped many people start careers as adjunct professors. This video article has been sponsored by the Six Figure Adjunct Program. Want to finally put your degree to work making 6 figures as an adjunct professor? Then you simply must check out adjunctteachingonline.com.